Today we are going to do subtraction with borrowing. But before we start, we will revise a few questions on simple subtraction. Let us find the difference between 45 and 31. This is the example of simple two-digit subtraction without regrouping of numbers. First, the numbers will be put in their place value. That is 45's 5 will be in 1's place and 4 will be in 10's place. Then the subtrahend is 31. 31's 1 will be in 1's place and 3 will be in 10's place. Now as you all know that we have to start from right. So first we will subtract the numbers that are in 1's place. That is 5 minus 1. So on subtracting 5 minus 1, we get 4. Now we will write 4 in 1's place. Then we will move to the 10's place and we will subtract the numbers in 10's place. So on subtracting 4 minus 3, we are getting 1. So we will write 1 in 10's place. So yes dear children, on subtracting 31 from 45, we get the difference 14. Now we will proceed further to our today's topic, that is borrow in subtraction. Let us take one example of two-digit subtraction with borrowing. Here we have to find out the difference between 45 and 36. We have to subtract 36 from 45. Now first of all, the numbers will be put in their place value. And my dear children, always remember that the minuend will be written first, that is the bigger number, and the subtrahend, that is the smaller number, will be written below the minuend. So here 45 is the minuend, that is the bigger number. So 45's 5 will be in 1's place and 4 will be in 10's place. Then the subtrahend 36, 6 will be in 1's place and 3 will be in 10's place. Again, as you all know that always we have to start from right hand side. So starting from right hand side, subtract the numbers that are in 1's place. Oh, here 5 is smaller than 6. Now what we will do? Think students, think. Yes, here we will borrow from 10's place. So on borrowing 1 from 10's place, cross 4, and after borrowing 1 from 4, 3 is left. So write 3 in 10's place. And when 1 will be borrowed to 5 once, it will become 15, as we are taking 1 borrowed from 10's place. Now minuend is bigger than subtrahend. So again, starting from 1's place, subtract the numbers in 1's place. Yes, on subtracting 15 minus 6, we get 9. So write 9 in 1's place. Then same, moving forward to the 10's place. On subtracting 3 minus 3, the difference we are getting is 0. So write 0 in 10's place. Yippee! The sum is solved. So easy. Dear children, on subtracting 36 from 45, we are getting the difference 9.
Let us understand the same with one more example.
So now in this example, we are going to subtract 29 from 82. We have to subtract 82 minus 29. We have to find out the difference. So first of all, the first step is write the minuend first by putting the numbers in their place value. That is 82's 2 will be in 1's place and 8 will be in 10's place. Then write subtrahend below the minuend. That is 29's 9 will be in 1's place and 2 will be in 10's place. Dear children, now starting from right hand side, subtract the numbers that are in ones place. Here, now what we will do, as you can see, the minuend is smaller than the subtrahend. So again here we will take 1 borrow from 8. The number 2 in ones place will become 10 after borrowing, and the number in tens place, that is 8, the number will become 7. We will write 7 in tens place as we have took 1 borrow from 8. Okay, and dear children, don't forget to put the minus sign, that is the symbol that represents the subtraction. Then on subtracting 9 from 12, we get 3 in ones place. Moving to the tens place, on subtracting 2 from 7, we are getting 5. Yes, the difference on subtracting 29 from 82, we get 53. Now we will do an example of word problem in subtraction with regrouping of numbers. Here the question is that a school took 81 students to a science museum. If 29 students were boys, how many students were girls? We have to find out the number of girls. First of all, we will write minuend first, that is the total students that are 81, and then the subtrahend below the minuend, that is the total number of boys, the number is 29, by putting them in their place value. Now starting from right, here again minuend is bigger than the subtrahend, so we will take borrow from 8, that is in tens place. So after taking 1 borrow from 8, 7 is left in tens place and 1 in ones place will become 11. Now on subtracting 9 from 11, we get 2, and then moving forward to tens place, on subtracting 2 from 7, we are getting 5. So on subtracting 29 from 81, we are getting the difference 52. Hence 52 students were girls.